So I'm recording right now because I need to record this because I need this saved if I ever want to post it on YouTube. But dude, this guy.
This game, I'm reporting him.
Ah, my ears! Ow! 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 Stop!
Okay.
Yo! Stop putting your mic. Stop! No, don't throw it down the stairs again.
You want me to? Do
I
it?
said no! I said no! I said don't! I said don't! I said don't! No, stop!
Three. Why? What do I
Because
have to-
you're gonna break your headset like Magic Man.
3, 2, 1.
Who threw his headset down the stairs twice? Yo, stop!
Hey, don't throw snowball. Jesus Christ, Lord! Oh my God.
What did you
My
do?
Oculus was about to split in half. My VR was about to split in half. Oh my God.
You messed up! You messed up, bro.
Wait, you know what, bro? Look at, hold up.
Yo, stop. Yo, stop! What are you doing?
Oh my God.
What did you just do?
You know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do?
Don't hammer your headset. Don't hammer your headset. Don't.
Why not, bro?
Okay, we're good. You're not going to actually ruin it.
3, 2, 1. Wait, no.
Wait, what are you doing? Oh, wait, I just got a text from someone in real life. Hold up, what are you doing? Yo, why am I alive?
I'm gonna set this on fire.
No, don't. Stop. No, bro, please tell me he's not actually going to do that. No, please tell me you're not actually doing that. No. No, stop. No, please tell me you're not actually doing that. No, bro. Please tell me you're not actually doing that. Please. Bro, stop. Bro, please. Yo, stop. You're going to break your headset. Are you there? Can you hear me? Oh, he left. Not him. Yo, what are you doing? Stop. Yo, stop. Yo, bro, please. No. No, stop.
Oh my God. Bro, I just got an Oculus Quest 1. Oh.
Did you actually do that? Please tell me you didn't.
Bro, I can't see my controllers anymore.
You broke them? You broke your
No,
controllers.
No, my controllers are disintegrated. Oh, I'm surprised my headset's still alive.
No, stop. No, don't do anything else.
Man, to finish it off, I'm gonna.
What are you doing?
Should I throw this off an airplane, bro?
No. No, please tell me. Stop. No, yo, stop. Yo, please don't do that.
Well, good to hear. I mean, honestly,
What are you doing? No, stop. Can you hear me? Stop. He's still online. Yo, how is your headset good? You threw it down the stairs 2 times and you set it on fire.
It.
No, don't do anything. Don't do anything else. Don't hammer it. Don't hammer it. Don't throw it off an airplane. And don't throw it in the snow.
Whoop. Whoop. Too bad.
No. No, stop, 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 stop. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Yo! Yo, what did you do? Yo.
Oh. Bro, where am I actually? I can't see anything. Where the heck am I actually?
You're right by Stump. Can you hear anything?
My mom just got me new controllers, which is good. Why am I alone? What the frick? Who was that? The frick?
Hi? Yo. It's... What did you just do?
Oh my... No. Okay, out of this code. No.
What?
Frick is this?
What are you doing? Don't leave.
Ugh. What happened?
What are you doing?
Wait, who are you? Who are you?
I'm the kid that you just spent a bunch of time playing with? On Girl Tag? Huh? Now you don't remember who I am? Oh no.
I got a new headset. I got a new headset. You want me to put this in the microwave?
No, bro, stop. Okay. No, please.
I actually will do it.
No, stop. No, don't.
Why?
Don't. You're going to burn your headset up. There's this kid that I'm friends with. The people on my YouTube channel know very well.
I'm gonna put this in there for 2 hours.
He was in a code when someone put their headset in the microwave and their headset exploded. So don't. 2 minutes? 2 minutes.
I'm putting it in for 2 hours. Putting it in for 2 hours.
No, bro, stop.
I just...
Bro, please. Stop.
Let me just make sure that this gets in the mixing as well. Okay.
Yo, stop. What are you doing? No. No, please tell me he's not actually going to do. No, stop. No, please tell me. Yo, take it out. Yo, take it out. You're going to break your headset, bro. Take it out. You're going to break your headset. Bro, take it out. Oh my god, guys. I'm going to check back in on that in a bit. You know what? No, I can't leave that. Yo. No, please tell me he didn't break his headset. Please tell me he didn't break his headset. Please tell me he didn't break his headset. Please. No, bro. Bro. Yeah, he broke his headset.